Hi guys! Maybe a year ago I made a video on a 3D printed grip for Panasonic GX80. You can find the link to that video in the description below this one. In the meantime, the new GX9 was introduced and on first glance it looks identical in size like GX80. So the question is it really identical and can the same grip be fitted on the GX9? First, here is how the grip looks like on the GX80. It's a perfect fit. But here is the first problem. Battery door does not open the same way. So even if it fits, there will be no access to the battery without removing the grip first. And here is the second problem. The grip does not align with the body properly. Bottom part of the GX9 is not shaped in the exactly same way as the GX80. After some effort I managed to attach it, but as you can see, right side of the grip does not fit snugly to the body as it should. Here is GX80 once again. You can see how well it fits. So there you have it. 3D grip made for GX80 does not fit on the GX9.